Hello everyone, and welcome back to Robinhood Coins. This is TJ, and today we are going to be hunting some pennies. But first, we need to go get some boxes. First off, we'll grab a box from last week's pickup. Go ahead and grab that penny box. Next up, we're going to grab a box that we have left over from before the coin shortage. All right, little helper, pick a box here. Which one of these do you want to do? We have that one right there.
Ooh.
Looks like we have some oldies. And then let's take a look at that one.
I love my oldies.
That one looks like it's got some oldies too. Pick one and let's go.
I'm gonna do the one with the most oldie looking ones.
All right, is it that one?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go. All right, the little helper is going to open up that box that we picked up last week because we don't even know if it's circulated. Oh, that looks circulated. There we go. Oh, do you see that?
What?
What is it?
Wheat cent ender.
That is only the second wheat cent ender we have ever had. Oh, this is ironic because I rarely record the openings of pennies and nickels.
Look at that.
That is cool.
I was just petting my dog.
We should probably check the other side.
Oh, yeah. 58.
Oh, this is exciting. Well, 58 and below. So we just flipped them over. There's the box. We flipped them over.
And there's a 50-something. We don't know what it is because we can't.
It's a 1950. All right. We'll have Maid Marian take a look at that. She's going to see if she can peel it back. But we also had a 2009.
Right next to it.
Yep. We had a 2009 right there. Oh, this is going to be exciting. Which one is this? What's this? And that's a 59?
It's an 80-something.
Oh.
Wait, what? Wait. Look right there.
And another wheat cent ender. It's another one. This one is a 1959. It is not a wheat cent, but we have two wheat cent enders. Oh, this is going to be a fun box.
And I found...
In the same box.
And I found that one.
Good job. All right, the little helper and I have both boxes laid out and ready to go, and we are excited about these boxes because this box looks like it has a bunch of oldies, and we had two wheat cent enders. We have one wheat cent ender on roll number 1, and the next one is going to be roll number 36 when we get to that roll, so that's going to be exciting. As always, we'll be giving away something from the hunt. We'll give away 2 or 3 of these wheat cents, and we'll put them in a Warman's Lincoln Cent folder, which has, it's an empty folder except for the ones that we're going to put in there. As always, to enter the giveaway, just comment on this video, and then be sure to watch our Saturday winners video to see if you won. All right, little helper, are you ready to get into the first roll?
It's the weedy one.
And that one has a little bit of luster left on it.
Uh-huh. And also, I'm trying not to stab myself.
That's always good. That's a good thing. That's a good thing.
Because I usually always stab myself.
All right, here we go. We are going to check out that wheat cent. And there it is. Let's see what year it is.
1958. Oh!
1958.
Ooh.
Last year wheatie. Is that a Denver?
Yes.
Raise it up a little bit so everyone can see it. There you go. It's a young one. 1958. Very cool. Flip it over. Let everybody see the wheat ears. That is nice. We're on roll 10 and Maid Marian has her first find.
Whoop, whoop. I found a wheatie.
All right, let's see what year it is.
Little helper, you want to flip it?
Mm-hmm. Let's see. Ooh, 1944. Ooh.
That's our first 40s. That is good stuff. Good job.
And she is the weedy who has the oldest.
I am the person with the oldest wheatie so far.
You are. All right, I'm on roll 10, and we have a really nice 2009 right here. This is the Professional Life. Nope, that's not a proof. It's just a really nice 2009 Denver. This is actually the third 2009 that we have found, and I won't record them all. Just wanted to show you that one because it was super nice. All right, we are working on roll number 24, and my wife just handed me a 1949 Denver. We have another Wheatie on the board. She is winning. My little brother is losing.
Hey. I have a couple S's.
But no Wheaties.
But no Wheaties.
Actually, I don't have a Wheatie either. But let's keep going and we'll bring you back in on the next good find. Working on roll number 45, and the next roll is a wheat cent ender. And I have a Wheatie in the roll. Let's check it out. All right, so luckily it was reverse up, so we get to do the reveal together. And it is, ooh, it's an oldie. We have a 1929. And it looks like it's a Philadelphia 1929. We have a 20s on the board. That is great. Oh, that is exciting. All right, here is roll 36. It is another wheat cent ender. Let's see what we're gonna get. The other side is just a regular memorial. And let's get in here and see what we're gonna get. That'd be awesome if it's another oldie like that 1929. That was a great one. We'll go ahead and kick it off. Ooh, we got a little roller damage. Let's see. We have a 1958. It's a pretty young one. That'd go with the 1958 Denver. That was the last ender that my little helper found right there. 58 Denver. So the two enders were both 1958. All right, brother, you're working on roll number 49.
And
What'd you
I
got?
have finally found a Wheatie. I am on the board, guys. Let's see what we got here.
There we go.
There we go.
Looking pretty good. Let's see.
All right. It is a 1945 Philadelphia.
That's right.
at
1
that.
year younger than Maid Marian's.
All right.
Good job.
Thanks, bro.
Maid Marian is working on roll number 50.
We have some last roll luck with another Wheatie.
That is good stuff. Let's see what it is. And
Sorry, I'm this.
we have
A 49.
49. That's our second 49 of the night. I think the first one might have been a Philly. Good stuff. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we are all done with box number 1, and that turned out to be a pretty good box. We ended up with a total of 7 wheat cents. We had a 58 Denver, a 58, a couple in the 40s, and the oldest was that 1929. That was really cool. And now it's time to crack in a box number 2, and let's see if this box can get us 8 or more Wheaties, which is our average. We are on roll number 1 of that second box, and halfway through the roll, and I found us an oldie, my littlest helper right here. What is it?
It's a 1925,
Which means it's a Wheatie.
Yes, it is. 1925. We do not get 20s very often.
But also there is no mid-mark.
That's at Philadelphia. What was the one right behind it? It looked like an old coin too. 1962. All right. Hopefully we can find some more.
We're on roll 9, and my dad found a Wheatie, and it's the second Wheatie of the box. Let's see what it is.
Yeah, first, what year is it?
It's a 1955 Denver.
Okay, raise it up. Show everybody. Very cool. We got Wheatie number 2. Flip it over. Show everyone the reverse. Ooh, man, that is dirty. That is dirty. Let's see if we can find another one. All right, we're working on roll number 11, and the third coin in, we have another Wheatie. This is Wheatie number 3, and it's a common 1944, but we will take it. Wheatie number 3 on the board. We are still on roll number 11, and another Wheatie in that roll. It is looking a little bit old. Let's see. Nope, 1956 Denver. That's not that old. For a Wheatie anyway. That makes Wheatie number 4, roll 11.
All right, we're on roll 19, and I have my first find of this box. As you can see, it is a 1952.
Denver, that's it. Let's see the reverse. That is nice.
Pretty nice,
all right.
one.
Good job. Got a Wheatie on the board.
Yippee!
So I was working on roll number 20 here, and I came across a 2009. I don't usually record every one of them, but what was interesting is I had that one, and then 2 coins later, I had seen, because of those dots, I knew that we had ourselves a foreign coin, and we have a 1977 Canadian cent. That is cool. Roll number 25, and we have another foreign. This time it is a Bermuda coin. It was obverse up. I read that Bermuda right there. It does look old. It's a 1973. That's a cool little pig on the back. So that's 2 foreigns for the hunt. On roll number 26, and this is already more foreigns than I normally get in a box. 3rd foreign right here. It's a 1998 Canadian. Pretty dirty, but we will take it. We are working on roll 32 and 33, and I find it so ironic when my wife and I both find Wheaties. But she had just told me that she found a Wheatie, and I had pulled away a coin and noticed that there was a Wheatie right there as well. So let's see what she has.
Kind of a little beat up.
We have a 1950 Denver. Right there. It is a little beat up, especially for how young it is. And then the one that I found was a 1944 Philadelphia. Working on roll number 38, found another Wheatie. Let's see what it... Ooh, we have the 30s. 1938 Philadelphia. That is great. Oh, that is awesome. We do not get 30s or 20s very often. And we have gotten 2 20s and a 30s in this hunt. So we are all done with that 2-box hunt, and that was a lot of fun, especially because I had my little helpers and my wife, as well as my little brother helping out. It's a lot of fun hunting as a family, and we ended up with a total of 16 2009s, and 6 of them are really nice condition, so that was pretty cool. We had a total of 8 1959s, and this one right here on top was a pretty nice shape for 1959 anyway. We had 3 foreigns. We had 2 Canadians and the 1 Bermuda cent right there from 1975. That is pretty cool. Then we had a total of 15 of the wheat cents, 3 of them pre-40s, and that is not very common for us, so I was pretty happy about that. The 3 oldest were the 1925, decent condition for being 95 years old. We also had the 1929, so that was pretty cool as well. And then we had the 1938 right there. All the rest were 40s and 50s, pretty common, and probably the one with the most luster was this 1958 Denver. Obviously not like red or anything, but a little bit of shiny. So overall, it was a pretty good hunt. So for the Robinhood Coins giveaway for this video, we're going to take these 3 wheat cents that we found during this hunt, and we're going to put them in this Warman's Lincoln cent folder. It is the wheat cent years 1909 through 1958. And as always, to enter this giveaway, just comment on this video and then be sure to watch our Saturday winners video to see if you won. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed the hunt. It was a lot of fun. If so, smash that like button. If you enjoy our content, please subscribe. It really helps out our channel. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you don't miss any giveaways or videos. And we will see you on the next hunt.